So in the last video I talked about drawers, because Marie Kondo in her method drawers she thinks they are the preeminent means of organizing a house. So I showed clothes folded in drawers in the way that she recommends, vertically, but what I forgot at the time is that the very first thing, when I sat down with her book and got maybe 50 pages in, the very first thing that got me kind of convinced, the catalyst for all of the other of her recommendations that I've carried out, was dividers in drawers. And I actually cheated, because I think I looked up, I couldn't understand her folding method, so I looked the thing up on YouTube, and somebody had showed her folding method. And the thing that was interesting is that the drawers that they used to demonstrate had dividers in them, and I didn't know that she recommended dividers, but somewhere later in the book she does recommend them, and she recommends shoe boxes, and I think that's a very good idea if you have shoe boxes. I think most people have one or two shoe boxes, but I discovered a few other things that you can use, and I think the real advantage of the shoebox method, for example, or any sort of shoebox-like square container, is that not only do you organize your drawers, divide your drawers, but you also get boxes. Empty boxes themselves are a kind of clutter. So, and they look a lot better inside drawers. So I'll show you some of the things that I used. I used a number of things, and I got up in about an hour. I went through the whole house and put these box dividers in all the drawers, and that was the thing that really kind of got me going. It's a very easy thing to start with. It's fun, and it may give you a taste for the whole method. So I think the first drawer that I put the dividers in was this one, because this is a notorious kind of kitchen drawer. Maybe everybody has a drawer in their house that's notoriously useful but a huge mess. So I think I started with this one. As you can see, it still isn't hyper organized, but I think that's the point of this video, is to show you a quick, or these videos to show you a very quick, very rough way to begin. Because if you want to make it like a sort of Japanese perfect modernist project immediately, you're probably just going to get discouraged. So you can do it in stages. So in this drawer, actually, I don't think I ever got past the first phase, which is these. I think are from a £1 shop. So, or I mean, you can get these for pennies. So I don't know what they're originally designed for, but little baskets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one alternative to shoe boxes if you've run out of shoe boxes or you don't have shoe boxes. And also they're more robust than a shoebox typically. So as you can see, it's still not very organized, but there's a rough. So here there are glue dots, sticky dots. So the general theme here is adhesive items and batteries. And these, I think, are medicines and whatever. But you can then, the advantage is that you can organize. You don't have to feel like you have to organize the entire drawer, because there have been several attempts to organize this drawer by tipping, and then you have to take the drawer out, tip everything out, and it's really, and then it just gets messy again in a short time. So let's say if I were in the mood to organize this drawer better than this, I could do it compartment by compartment. I could just decide that I want to do this one and this one, and I don't have to take the drawer out. So I like to keep these videos very, very short in order not to tax anybody's attention, and also because my upload speed is lamentably slow. So, but just very quickly, this here is a strawberry container. So that you can use. This is an iPhone box. If you take that out, you can use an iPhone box. I don't know what this is. This is a bonsai pot. That's a cat. This is hello. This is you know, a Harley Davidson box. So basically, any boxes that you have lying around the house, they don't empty boxes don't tend to look very nice lying around the house. So you put them in there, and it's sort of become very rough drawer dividers. This one has got cigar boxes there, stamps, watercolour paper, etc. So I think that's about it.